dear students, welcome to your on class chemistry with mind. Namaskar. Today we will study want of factor. So let us start. To understand this, first you should understand the abnormal molecular mass. What is the abnormal molecular mass? When the molecular mass of a substance determined by the colligative properties. What is the colligative properties? Colligative properties are the properties of the solution which depend only on the number of the particles of solute, and it does not depend on the nature of the substance or solute. That is called colligative properties. So when the molecular mass of a substance determined by the colligative properties does not come same as expected theoretically, then it is said that that substance is having abnormal molecular mass. So what is the reason behind that? Why it happens? The reason is when a substance is dissolved in a solvent, and if that substance or that solute undergo dissociation or association, then that substance is having abnormal molecular mass. So we will study this abnormal molecular mass and after that want of factor in details. So let us see. Suppose substance is going under dissociation, or it may go under association also. Dissociation, for example, when we are dissolving NaCl in water. Association means when we are dissolving organic acid in benzene. So when we dissolve NaCl in water or organic acids in benzene, then NaCl undergo dissociation. Dissociation means number of particles will increase. Or when we will dissolve organic acids in benzene, then it will undergo association. Association means number of particles are decreasing, correct? So this will undergo dissociation. Dissociation means number of particles increases, and it will undergo association, and association means number of particles decreases, correct or not? Now I told you the colligative properties, because molecular mass is determined by colligative properties. So colligative properties, like there are many colligative properties. For example, relative lowering in vapor pressure, osmotic pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point. So these are colligative properties. These depends on the number of particles. So in dissociation, number of particles increases. It means colligative properties also will increase. In association, number of particles decreases. It means colligative properties, the value of colligative properties will decrease. So here value of colligative properties since number of particles increases, so increases, correct? Here number of particles decreases, so value also, value of colligative properties decreases. Okay, fine. When we dissolve the substance in the solvent, that time colligative property is less, and after undergoing dissociation the value of colligative property is increasing. So that is called experimental value of colligative properties. So we can say colligative properties is more experimentally than the theoretical value of the colligative properties in case of dissociation. If substance is undergoing association, then the colligative properties value is decreasing. It means the experimental value or the observed value of the colligative properties is less than that of theoretical value. And the ratio of experimental value of the colligative properties to the theoretical value of the colligative properties is called Van 't Hoff factor. So let us see. So Van 't Hoff factor that is represented by I, and that is equal to the observed value of colligative properties divided by calculated value. Calculated value and theoretical value both are same. Calculated value of colligative properties. Now as you know that molecular mass is inversely proportional to the colligative properties, as I have already taught you in my previous class by the formula of each colligative properties, and I have shown to you that colligative property is inversely proportional to the molecular mass. In brief also I will tell you. See, relative lowering of vapor pressure P0 minus Ps divided by P0, that is equal to N2 by N1 plus N2, correct? But if the solution is very dilute, then it will be only N1, correct? Because dilute means number of moles of the solute will become very less. So N2 by N1. Since we are determining the molecular mass of the substance, that is solute substance, correct? So we will consider only N2. So we can tell that P0 minus Ps divided by P0 is directly proportional to N2. And number of mole, how we are determining number of mole is, so it will be proportional to weight by molecular weight. Now you can see the relative lowering of vapor pressure is inversely proportional to the molecular weight of the solute. In the same case, if we will see about osmotic pressure, because osmotic pressure is also colligative properties. This is represented by pi, and that is CRT. So pi is directly proportional to C, and what is the C? C is the molar concentration, correct? So it will be directly proportional to number of moles per liter, correct? Now since we are determining molecular mass of the solute, so it will be directly proportional to N, correct? This we will not consider. So pi will be directly proportional to N. N is the number of mole of the solute. And how we are determining the N? N is weight by molecular weight. So that we can write weight by molecular weight. Correct? So osmotic pressure, which is a colligative property, is inversely proportional to the molecular weight or molecular mass. Similarly, it happens in case of elevation in boiling point and depression in freezing point. So what we see here, that colligative properties is inversely proportional to the molecular mass. Now as I have written want of factor I, that is equal to observed value of colligative properties divided by calculated value. Calculated value and theoretical value both are same, correct? Calculated value of colligative properties, correct? Now as I told you, the colligative properties is inversely proportional to the molecular mass. So this will be just opposite in case of molecular mass, correct? Means I will be equal to observed value of colligative properties. Here it will come calculated value of molecular mass, because colligative properties are inversely proportional. So here it will be calculated value of molecular mass divided by, here it is calculated value of colligative property. So it is inversely proportional to the molecular mass. So here will be observed value, correct or not? So that is called want of factor. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please ask in the message box. I will try my best to give you the reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Namaskar.